Hello and welcome! If you're joining me today, chances are you're looking for fresh, exciting ways to breathe new life into your living spaces here in mid-2025. Perhaps you feel your walls need a conversation starter, or your rooms are missing that certain element of texture and shine. Well, you've come to the perfect place because today we're exploring the truly remarkable world of metal art and home decor. It's a medium that offers so much more than just industrial applications. It's a source of incredible beauty, strength, and versatility for our homes. Throughout this video, we'll journey through the many facets of using metal to enhance your environment. We will delve into why metal stands out as a decor material, showcasing its unique properties. We'll uncover stunning possibilities for adorning your walls, moving beyond traditional prints and canvases. We will consider the impact of freestanding metal sculptures, both large and small. Furthermore, we'll examine how metal beautifully marries form and function in everyday objects. Our exploration will even extend outdoors, looking at how metal can grace gardens and patios. We will also touch upon the different metals and finishes available, helping you understand how they influence style, and finally, offer some thoughts on how to integrate these pieces seamlessly into your existing decor. So, settle in as we dive into the lustrous and dynamic realm of metal design. What truly sets metal apart in the world of interior design? Let's explore some of the reasons. Firstly, there's the undeniable aspect of durability and longevity. Quality metal pieces possess an inherent strength, capable of lasting for generations, evolving from mere decorations into cherished heirlooms. Beyond its robustness, metal offers extraordinary stylistic versatility. Can be molded, finished, and presented in ways that complement virtually any aesthetic imaginable. Imagine the sleek, reflective quality of polished chrome enhancing a minimalist apartment, or the rugged, earthy texture of raw or rusted steel adding character to an industrial loft or a modern farmhouse setting. Similarly, intricately worked brass or copper can introduce warmth and elegance into bohemian or traditional spaces. Metal also interacts wonderfully with light. Polished surfaces bounce light around, brightening rooms, while textured or darker metals create intriguing shadows and depth, adding another layer of visual interest. Ultimately, a thoughtfully chosen metal piece possesses the power to become a captivating focal point, instantly elevating a room's character and sparking admiration. When considering wall decor, metal opens up a universe of three-dimensional possibilities that flat artworks often cannot match. Abstract metal wall sculptures, for instance, utilize flowing lines, geometric precision, or organic forms to create visual intrigue without depicting a specific subject. These are particularly effective in contemporary and modern interiors, perhaps crafted from brushed steel or aluminum, or even powder-coated metal in vibrant hues for a pop of color. Nature often serves as inspiration, translated beautifully into metal. Think of intricate laser-cut steel trees of life, stylized flocks of birds taking flight across a wall, or mountain ranges rendered with metallic sheens. Such pieces resonate well within rustic, transitional, or nature-inspired design schemes, with materials like copper, which develops a lovely patina over time, or Corten steel, known for its stable rust finish, lending an especially organic feel. Even text finds a sophisticated expression in metal, from custom family name signs to inspirational phrases, offering a more substantial and refined alternative to vinyl decals or wooden signs. For those with expansive walls, perhaps above a fireplace or in a soaring entryway, large-scale metal installations or multi-panel artworks can create an unforgettable statement, truly anchoring the space. The inherent ability of metal to be bent, folded, and layered also allows for the creation of captivating 3D pieces, where depth and shadow play become integral parts of the artwork itself. Metal's artistic expression extends compellingly beyond wall mounting into the realm of freestanding sculptures. These pieces can command attention and define spaces in unique ways. Imagine a tall, elegant floor sculpture placed strategically in an entryway, providing an immediate sense of arrival and artistry, or tucked into a living room corner, adding vertical interest and a touch of sophistication. The styles here are just as varied as wall art, ranging from minimalist polished columns to complex, interwoven abstract forms or even figurative representations. When selecting such a piece, considering the scale relative to the room is crucial to ensure it complements rather than overwhelms the space. On a smaller scale, tabletop and shelf sculptures offer wonderful opportunities to inject metallic accents throughout your home. An abstract not in cast iron on a bookshelf, a pair of sleek brass animal figures on a console table, or a small hammered copper bowl on a side table can provide that perfect finishing touch, adding texture, shine, and personality. These smaller items are excellent for creating curated vignettes and layering decorative elements effectively. One of metal's greatest strengths in decor is its ability to be both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional, thanks to its inherent strength and durability. Consider shelving, for example. Metal transforms this basic storage need into a design statement. Think of the urban appeal of industrial pipe shelving, the clean lines of minimalist floating metal shelves perfect for modern spaces, or the classic charm of wrought iron étagères displaying collectibles. These structures provide necessary storage while contributing significantly to the room's overall style. Lighting is another area where metal truly shines, quite literally. The range of metal lighting fixtures is immense, encompassing pendants, chandeliers, sconces, and lamps in countless styles. Polished chrome or nickel offers cool modernity, brass and copper introduce warmth and richness, while blackened steel or bronze provides an industrial or rustic edge. The material and finish of the fixture dramatically influence the quality and ambience of the light itself. Mirrors, too, gain elevated status with metal frames, ranging from thin, understated black steel surrounds for a contemporary feel to elaborate, hammered copper or ornate gilt frames that make a bolder statement. Even everyday items like large wall clocks become focal points when crafted from metal, especially designs featuring exposed gears or minimalist faces. And let's not forget planters and plant stands. Metal options provide a sophisticated counterpoint to the softness of foliage, enhancing your indoor greenery with styles from simple wire stands to substantial brass or galvanized steel pots. The inherent resilience of many metals makes them superb candidates for enhancing outdoor living areas as well. Imagine whimsical garden stakes topped with metal birds or flowers peeking out from amongst your plantings, adding color and interest throughout the seasons. Rusted finishes often work particularly well outdoors, blending seamlessly with the natural environment. Blank fences or exterior walls can be dramatically transformed with weather-resistant metal panels, often featuring intricate laser-cut designs inspired by nature or geometric patterns. Corten steel is a popular choice here, as its distinctive rust layer actually forms a protective barrier against further corrosion. Larger metal sculptures can also find a home in the garden, acting as striking focal points within the landscape, their appearance potentially changing beautifully with the light and weather. For adding movement and a touch of magic, consider metal wind spinners or mobiles, whose polished surfaces catch the sunlight as they turn. Even functional elements like garden gates or trellises become artistic statements when crafted from metal, with traditional wrought iron offering timeless elegance and modern designs providing sleek architectural support for climbing plants. When selecting metal for outdoor use, it's wise to prioritize materials known for their weather resistance, such as stainless steel, aluminum, powder-coated metals, bronze, or the aforementioned Corten steel, ensuring your pieces endure the elements gracefully. Choosing the right metal and finish is key to achieving your desired look. The appeal of steel is its strength and adaptability. You'll find it raw for an industrial feel, as stainless steel for a sleek, corrosion-resistant modern look, powder-coated in nearly any color imaginable for durability and vibrancy, or as Corten steel, designed to develop that beautiful protective rust patina ideal for rustic or outdoor applications. Aluminum is another contender, valued for being lightweight and naturally resistant to corrosion, often seen with a brushed or polished finish in contemporary designs. Copper offers a unique warmth with its reddish hue, famously developing a striking green patina or verdigris over time, which can be highly desirable. It's often hammered or polished to enhance its glow. Brass, an alloy of copper and zinc, provides a luxurious golden tone, perfect for adding touches of elegance through hardware, lighting, or decorative accents, available in polished, brushed, or antiqued finishes. Now that we've explored the possibilities, how do you effectively incorporate metal decor into your home without it feeling cold or out of place? Metal pairs beautifully with softer, warmer textures like wood, wool, linen, and velvet. This contrast prevents a space from feeling too stark or industrial, unless that's precisely the aim. Try placing a sleek metal sculpture on a rustic wooden console, or adding plush velvet cushions to a sofa near a metal floor lamp. Work for consistency or deliberate contrast in style. Choose metal pieces that resonate with your home's existing aesthetic, whether it's modern, traditional, rustic, or eclectic. Alternatively, use a striking metal piece as an intentional counterpoint to introduce a new stylistic element. Use metal strategically to create focal points. A large metal wall hanging or a significant sculpture naturally draws the eye. Don't overwhelm a room with too many metallic elements. Sometimes less is more. Consider layering smaller metal objects, a brass tray, a silver photo frame, a copper candle holder on shelves or tables to add subtle shimmer and interest. Finally, never underestimate the power of lighting. Position spotlights or ambient lighting to highlight the texture, shape, and reflective qualities of your metal decor, truly bringing it to life, especially in the evening. For the creatively inclined, there's even potential for DIY metal decor, though often on a simpler scale unless you have metalworking skills. Think about repurposing interesting metal objects you might find, old gears mounted as wall art, vintage tools displayed creatively, or perhaps painting or refinishing simple metal containers or trays to give them a new look. Basic wire sculpting can be an accessible way to create small, unique pieces. Garnishing the metal with specific paint finishes or even encouraging a patina on certain metals can personalize inexpensive finds. Naturally, if you venture into anything involving cutting or heavy manipulation of metal, prioritize safety above all else, using appropriate protective gear and tools, or perhaps start with projects focused purely on finishing rather than fabrication. So, as we've seen today, metal offers an incredible spectrum of possibilities for enriching our home environments. From bold, statement-making wall art and sculptures to subtle, functional accents and charming garden additions, its potential is vast. Whether you favor the cool sophistication of stainless steel, the warm gleam of brass, the rustic charm of Corten, or the colorful versatility of powder-coated finishes, there's a metal decor style waiting to elevate your space. It's about adding texture, playing with light, and introducing elements that possess both strength and beauty. I hope this exploration has sparked some ideas and shown you just how transformative metal can be in interior and exterior design.